Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing Origami Fox model. Let me show it to you how it looks. This is Origami Fox model. As you can see, it's really cute and it's really easy to make. So go ahead, grab a paper and let's begin. For this Origami Fox model, we'll need a square piece of paper. Can be of any color as you wish. So let's begin. So first, let's fold it along the horizontal axis. I hope it's clear, it's focusing. Yeah. Also along the second horizontal axis or the vertical axis. You get a plus formed, and now you fold one flap like this. Along these plus one section, we just fold a triangle like this. Turn your sheet. Now this you fold it till the half. Now for the half, let's have a triangle like this. Let's fold along the diagonal axis. You will get the half crease, and now we can fold the half easily. So this is how it looks. Now you have this right side section and you have left side section. So right side section, you need to fold it till this edge intersects with this edge. It should be parallel basically. So it should overlap as like this. Exactly, it overlaps at this point. So we fold it. Make a crease like this. Basically it will be this point too, so you can even take reference of that point. It's actually best to take reference from this edge, and automatically if the lines and folds are proper, then the point intersects here. Like this. Press it properly. Now you have this opening, right? This thing, you need to fold it like this and then fold it back. And then you have this flap, we fold it like this on this side. So if you didn't follow it properly this time. So you have this flap, right? You open this thing here and fold it to form a turn basically, and then it turns it like this till this point, and you already have a crease here, so just fold it like this. And then this flap, we take it till this point, till the center axis basically. This is how it looks. Now we fold it from the center, turn the page and then fold it from the center like this. This is how it looks. Now this flap, there are two flaps, one on this and one on this. So this flap, we fold it. Wait, let me show it to you properly. This flap, we fold it till this intersection here. So properly get till this intersection. Yeah, like this. Press it, have a crease, and then as you can see, forms a ear kind of a structure like this here. So here you press it like this, and then you can like this, and then you can have a proper fold and form in here like a structure like this. See, we repeat the same on the opposite side. Take the reference of the first and fold it like this exactly here. And then form this ear kind of a structure on this side. Now you have this mouth over here. You open this like this from the center. Let's do it from this side. Yeah, so you open it like this, and then fold this in this manner here. Basically press it. This stays like this, so you just need to press this portion to form a crease. Similarly we do it on this side. So you have this opening, and then fold it like this. This is the point basically you need to take care of here. And then just give me one sec. Yeah, so yeah, this is how you fold it like this, and then you can make a mouth here. This goes like this. So you have this fold right here. Yeah, so just fold it slightly like this. This might be slightly difficult the first time, but you can make it once you're clear about the folds. So slightly press it, and this is how you get the mouth over here. So now we pick from this side. You have one flap over here. You fold it along this crease here like this. Press it tightly, because this goes inside in this fold basically. So this, you do it on both sides, and then this extra thing we just fold it inwards like this. This is how it looks. Now this entire stuff, the back portion, we just fold it like this. Fold it on both the sides, because this thing will be folding it inwards. Press it tightly. We folded it like this and like this on both sides, and then you open it, and then along these creases you fold it inwards like this. And then these two forms in this manner. This should come out. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now we need to fold it at this point, make a fold, and then make another fold, basically slight, say half a centimeter or slight fold like this. and press it tightly. Oops. So this is how the Fox model looks like. Make this ears slight bulgy, and then you can press it like this. So this is the final Fox model. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.